Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have this receptacle holder slash non-contact, I guess, voltage detector from Harbor Freight. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video because this is such a unique tool, and I haven't found any other tool like this. In fact, I've been in the Harbor Freight several times to get throwaway tools that I needed in a hurry, and I look for this item, and I can't find it. It was one of those type. This is one of those type of tools or devices that you see, and if you didn't get it and you were to go back, you can't find it ever again. But I'm the kind of person, if I see one of a kind tools, and even if I don't need it right then and there, I know I may need it sometime. I know it's useful. I often get it. Now, before we go further, guys, support the channel. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Share the video. All of that is support of the channel to help it grow, and it's for free. I really would appreciate it if you do. If you're still here, that means that you're enjoying the channel. Thank you guys who've been with me for a long time. And you guys who just this is your first time, I welcome you back. Now, anyway, let me see, can I get the, I don't know what year. I had it for a long time, fellas, but let me just see if I can get the model number up, if there's something on here. This is such a unique tool, and if you guys are still out there doing, let me see if I can just zoom in. Okay. Can you guys kind of look at this? I'm putting it in so I won't. Let me see. Okay, let's try this. I don't see anything on it. Just see item number. It's kind of blurred. Let me see. I'm pulling it off camera for a minute and get my magnifying glass so I can see. Item number 94742. This is the outlet plug and installation tool, and it's by Chicago Electric. And Chicago Electric is it's a brand that Harbor Freight sells. Okay, so let me just tell you a little bit about this. Where you can see it's not much I can show you or tell you about it, except that it's very useful. And I'm sure all of you guys down here are still doing installation of electrical outlets. And this comes in very handy. I'm telling you, when you're doing, let me see, can I find an outlet right quick so I can kind of show you what I'm talking about. Anyway, wow, can't find an outlet. Hey, that's something. Oh yeah, I do. I have one. Okay, here we go. It's kind of this is a real handy tool. Even if if you're dealing with an outlet that has the power still on, you can't turn it off. Here we go. You just plug it in. Just assume that this still had power to it. These lights right here, these windows right here on the side will light up, and you can hold this receptacle like this and just take care of your business on each side and put it back in the wall and tighten it up without ever worrying about your hands touching this. And the reason why I'm talking about doing this, I'm talking about this tool because it's not only it's a handy tool, it's a safe tool. And you guys know I'm always talking about safety. I've had this tool now for, maybe close to 10 years probably, if that. Not longer, but maybe close to it. And I make sure I take care of it as I do all of my tools because, especially, tools take care of you when you take care of them. But I know how hard it is for me to find this tool, this device, and I don't want anything to happen to it. I don't loan it out. And I'm planning on keeping it because this is a very useful tool. Now, you can make your own thing up, I guess. You can make something up, but I just like the idea that I have The voltage detector in here just lights up to let you know that the receptacle is hot or it's not. And like I said, you know, you could use it like what I just demonstrated with this outlet right here. It has a NEMA plug on it. For the it's designed for over here in the United States, y'all, and it's a real nice tool. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I really want you guys to see this one of a kind tool, and you know that's part of my channel. You know, we all know the videos of all the flukes and all these, you know, tools that's already established. I like doing videos on one of a kind things or tools that make my audience say like, wow, you know, I didn't know that was out there, or wow, where did he get that from, or you know what I'm saying? That's what I do. I like to go after the underdog tools, but the well high quality or high quality or high valued underdog tools. I like those. So they're one of a kind tools, and I have a lot of those. So that's why I ask you guys who just starting out, watching the channel, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and you'll get a chance to see all of this firsthand. I have a lot of tools that you didn't even know was on the market. And when you see them, you probably can't find them anymore. So, and you might could find one. So I recommend, if you run across this tool on eBay or what have you, run across it, I suggest that you get it. It wasn't expensive at all, and that's why I have it. But anyway, guys, this is I do give my recommendation on this tool if you were to run across this tool and get it. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. I want to thank you guys for joining me here. I'm going to ask that you meet me back here again while we do another video. And as I always say, there will be more to come. Stay tuned. So you guys take care, and I'm out.